Past tense quiz. Fill in the blank with the correct form of tense. Yesterday, I dashed to school. Go. Went. Or going. The correct answer is option B, went. Yesterday, I went to school. She dashed a cake last Sunday. Baked. Bake. Or baking. The correct answer is option A, baked. She baked a cake last Sunday. The rabbit dashed very fast. Run. Ran. Or running. The correct answer is option B, ran. The rabbit ran very fast. Dad dashed dinner for the family. Cook. Cooked. Or cooking. The correct answer is option B, cooked. Dad cooked dinner for the family. We dashed to the zoo. Go. Went. Or going. The correct answer is option B, went. We went to the zoo. She dashed a beautiful song. Sang. Sing. Or singing. The correct answer is option A, sang. She sang a beautiful song. I dashed my keys yesterday. Lose. Lost. Or losing. The correct answer is option B, lost. I lost my keys yesterday. The children dash in the garden. Play. Played. Or plays. The correct answer is option B, played. The children played in the garden. He dashed a glass of milk. Drink. Drank. Or drinking. The correct answer is option B, drank. He drank a glass of milk. We dash our grandparents. Visit. Visited. Or visiting. The correct answer is option B, visited. We visited our grandparents. I dash my favorite book. Read. Reading. Or reads. The correct answer is option A, read. I read my favorite book. She dash happy after winning. Feel. Felt. Or feeling. The correct answer is option B, felt. She felt happy after winning. They dash a picnic last weekend. Had. Have. Or having. The correct answer is option A, had. They had a picnic last weekend. The teacher dashed the lesson. Explain. Explained. Or explaining. The correct answer is option B, explained. The teacher explained the lesson. We dashed the bus on time. Catch. Caught. Or catching. The correct answer is option B, caught. We caught the bus on time. Mom dashed delicious cookies. Made. Make. Or making. The correct answer is option A, made. Mom made delicious cookies. The cat dashed on the sofa. Slept, sleep, or sleeping. The correct answer is option A, slept. The cat slept on the sofa. They dashed to music. Listened, listen, or listening. The correct answer is option A, listened. They listened to music. I dash a beautiful painting. See, saw, or seeing. The correct answer is option B, saw. I saw a beautiful painting. She dashed her room yesterday. Clean, cleaned, or cleaning. The correct answer is option B, cleaned. She cleaned her room yesterday. We dash ice cream at the park. Eat, ate, or eating. The correct answer is option B, ate. We ate ice cream at the park. We dash football after school. Play, played, or plays. The correct answer is option B, played. We played football after school. The baby dash all night. Cry, cried, or cries. The correct answer is option B, cried. The baby cried all night. Dad dashed a new car last year. Buy, bought, or buying. The correct answer is option B, bought. Dad bought a new car last year. I dashed my homework yesterday. Finish, finished, or finishing. The correct answer is option B, finished. I finished my homework yesterday. They dash a movie last night. Watch, watched, or watching. The correct answer is option B, watched. They watched a movie last night. The bird dashed away. Fly, flew, or flying. The correct answer is option B, flew. The bird flew away. He dashed a letter to his friend. Write, wrote, or writing. The correct answer is option B, wrote. He wrote a letter to his friend.